here, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make Icee slime. My voice sounds a little bit weird today because I'm a little bit sick, but anyways, if you want to learn how to make this, just keep on watching. You'll be needing clear PVA glue, clear glue activator, a half cup measuring cup, a teaspoon measuring spoon, instant snow, something to mix with, and something to mix in. This is optional, but I decided to use food coloring. On with the instructions. First, add in a half cup of glue. Then add in a teaspoon of your instant snow powder. And then add in your food coloring if you want to use it. And then you just mix that all together. The dark green spots is just the food coloring was absorbed by the instant snow before I could mix it, and then it kind of looks like a kiwi right now, but I like kiwis, so. And when you mix it, it should get thicker because the instant snow is soaking up the clear glue, and it should end up like this, and it's super thick and disgusting, but I promise you it'll end up to be a great Icee slime. Then you just want to activate it. It may look disgusting and it might be hard to mix it at first, so then that's why you should use your hands, but you have to keep on going and don't give up. And even though it'll be a little bit disgusting and messy, you just have to keep on mixing it and kneading it for the instant snow to be working its magic. So this is how it ended up. It's super thick, creamy, and I absolutely love it. It's also really clicky, and it's just like the drink. I decided to name my slime Baja Blast Freeze, and it's a popular name, but why not recreate it?